figure out.
Ano? Tapon.
Wait till we get good.
About sa ano niya? Analyzing ideas. Subong ano niya? Changes as you grow. Ay mga technique boy para mas dali ka maka-learn sa school. I-read no advance yung mga lesson. Sige da, read book.
Have you noticed that you are
Ano
growing?
na?
Changes as you grow. Have you noticed that you are growing? What do you think makes you grow? Have you noticed the changes in yourself as you grow? Look at the picture. Go into children photos of they can be like this because they have grown bigger and stronger. Key questions. How do you deal with persons who are different from you? How does our way of living benefit and harm our body? Children find kind.
So, how do you deal with persons who are different from you? Hindi ka mo the same na life. Hindi ka mo the same na gusto. So, paano mo siya i-deal? Na mag-friend ka mag-yapon? Sample, gusto kaya mag-play siya, hindi. Ano yung mo? Hindi ka mo same nga like ba? Sample, siya gusto mag-play. Kaya hindi ka.
Uy!
Ano yung mo i-do?
Kano na balik, Vic?
For example, gusto siya mag-cellphone. Mag-play cellphone tapos kaya hindi ka namian. Ano yung mo i-do? Para mag-friend ka mag-yapon.
Play lang sa cellphone.
Arso.